position award. That's the medals they're getting. Lost to Royal Leopards. Now they also brought Andile Pisan and Mamkiza here to support Moneni Pirates. Just could not really happen for them. Bernard, the man between the sticks, longest serving player in the squad of Moneni Pirates, as the man Pilar Dlamini, the man in the center was jersey number 2, as well as Ingwenyama was subbed out. Abdul Majid Amino, also the player that got introduced, one golden opportunity in the final third, just could not convert that one chance. Mazwi Ingwenyama, also a player that had the opportunity to try and just get things right. It just wasn't to be, as well as Sinanelo Ngambule, to also being part of the game, just could not convert the chances in the final third. Our first time playing the finals of Ingwenyama Cup, that is Moneni Pirates, and they put in a great shift and they showed character after so many years of being part. Just today they find themselves playing in the finals of Ingwenyama Cup. We learned that the Lutsango women, they are all the way from Emakwetsheni. That is where they originate from. So they were the winners in the competition too.